Okay, here's a tutorial on how to draw an arrow. So I'm using Vegas Pro 14, I'm editing a video and I want to create this arrow and maybe add some text. Okay, so let's see how to do this one. I'm going to use Adobe Photoshop and I'm going to use the Paint program from within Windows also. Okay, so let's go to the Start button, type in Paint and open it. Paint has the arrow drawing tools up here, so let's pick, let's say this one, left arrow, and simply draw an arrow like so, drag it. Okay, and this can save the image as a transparent one, so I'm going to go to File, Save As, and let's say use a PNG for example. PNG has transparency, but the program is not allowing it. So these are the current images. Let's save it, let's say there, in the downloads folder. So that's the original image. Save it. Where is it? In the downloads folder. So this is the image created by Paint. Okay, so it has a large white area. It does not have only the small arrow portion that we need. So we want to eliminate this large portion and leave only the arrow. Okay, to do that I'm going to use Photoshop and open that picture that we just created. File, open, and not that one, I placed it into the downloads folder. This is it. So open up that image and I'm going to use this tool, Magic Wand, click on it, and tolerance is set to 32 and it's continuous. So click inside here. Now everything is selected except the arrow itself. Now I will invert the selection. Press Ctrl Shift and I, Ctrl Shift and I, and now only the arrow is selected. Now let's copy this one, edit and copy, and create a new image, file and new, and here make sure background content is set to transparent and leave everything as it is. This dimension, the width and height, is taken from the selection itself, so just close it with OK. And this is the newly created transparent image. Let's go to edit and paste in the copied thing. So that's the arrow, and what is on the side, that is transparent. Okay, so let's go to File and Save As. Save this image, let's say in the same location, the downloads folder, and use PNG this time also. PNG, okay, it has a 1 there. Save it. I'm not going to use any compression, so let's pick none. Okay, the photo was saved, and here in the downloads folder, this is the newly created one. So let's open the original one, and this is the new one. So the new one does not have that white margin. Okay, so I can use Vegas. Where is Vegas? Here it is. And let's go to File, Import Media, File, Import Media, and let's use the newly created one, downloads folder, the transparent one, open, and now it's here. The name is the same but it's slightly different, and if I drag it there, then voila, that's the arrow. It's not exactly like this one, so we have to modify the size of this arrow. To do that, go to the Event Pen Crop button of the arrow itself, Event Pen Crop. Okay, now here we have Position and Mask, two of them, and click on the first keyframe of the position layer, and click inside here, and then scroll out, and if you drag the margin, then you can resize it. So this is the monitor itself, let's say it that way. And if I make the monitor larger, the screen size larger, then the arrow gets smaller, and there it is. Okay, now I can rotate it from the side in, let's say, that direction, and move it, let's say, there, and that's it. Make sure this one, lock aspect ratio, is checked, otherwise it will deform it. And that's it. We just created an arrow. That's the old one that was there before, and this is the new one. That's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.